My only chance of joining Liverpool is by going on this 10-day trial. Sunday evening, 7:30. I'm staying in a city centre hotel called St. Joseph's Hotel, and there's a knock on the door. I've opened the door, and there's our goalkeeper, Bruce Grobbelaar. And I looked at Bruce and I said, well, what can I do for you? Because that's how I spoke English at the time, you see. He said, hey, my boy, he says, I've come to take you partying. I said, but Bruce said, where I come from, mainland Europe, Sunday night, people tend to stay in, rest, and then they go to work Monday morning. Oh, yes, he said, my boy, but we're in Liverpool now. He said, and people go partying Sunday night and don't go to work Monday. So I'm standing in a packed wine bar in Liverpool. It was almost like people could sense that you were foreign. And this little scouser, about 5'6", comes walking over to me. He looks me up and down, he goes, all right, mate, he said, where are you from then? I said, I'm from Denmark. He went, Denmark? He said, you know Liverpool Football Club? They got one of them Denmark footballers on trial. Do you know him, like? I said, oh no, I said, I've never heard of him. Ah, never mind, he said. I've heard he's fucking crap anyway. I'll never forget that.